Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka-state level chief ministers inter-school athletic meet arajar arpoar bala paniat da katanat ilaka jong ka sarkar jilla kala Sdang ha kalai puwai tarik ujemang ha kaslam IG hikai jong ka SAI training center ha kani kalumpung ilaka ka balai sngi lawan yeshim menta da news pa henry pusau mut ki nong yeshim menta hadin babaro khar artli ki slam trikam jong ki district sports officer kilala on penong dangshan ya ka district level inter-school athletic meet. Kini ki kantop ya ka East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, West Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Garo Hills, Ribhoi, South Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills, North Garo Hills, but Eastern West Khasi Hills. Ya kani ka Lumpung Lapleda Ushivanj, Awasthi Under Secretary jong katanat Ilekai, Kumukong San, Hakabalayadan ng Assistant Director katanat Ilekai, uba PB War Nongbri, Working President ka MSOA, ba John F. Karshiying, ki DSO, ki Coach, bat kiway. Ya kani kalumpung lapya hakilay tali kikardan Ilekai, jong ki kanasyan rang bat kantay, kiba kantop ya ka under 14, under 16, but under 18. Kijing Ilekai ki kantop ya kijing ko mare baper, long jump, high jump, shot put, discus, but javelin throw. Ya kani kalumpung in penkot haka arterik ujiliw.
I know it's been tough right from yesterday during your arrival. Even you have to go through age verification, but thank you so much to all of you, and I welcome each and every one of you, all the athletes from all the 12 districts, the team officials, the technical officials from the districts, the technical officials from and within Shillong, all the district sports officer, the press, the both print and electronic media. I welcome each and every one of you. I hope that you will have a wonderful competition these 3 days. I'm very sure that you will come up with, medals, and I'm very positive that we will be able to pick up talents and athletes who will represent the state in junior nationals in each zone. So please give your best.
Interstate athletics meet that we are reviving. It is after 2 years. I'm told that the last one we had was in 2019, but unfortunately because of COVID we were not able to do it for last 2 years. And as we know that our state Meghalaya is a very young state, and as a state we are very much interested and focused into areas of sports. So as the member of Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, it is our endeavor to try and facilitate, give our athletes the platform as and when possible, so that they can perform, practice, and take our state forward, take themselves forward. So my best wishes are with all of you. And this event is not an end in itself, let me tell you that thing also. So as I'm told that the ones who will be performing, the best ones, we'll select them, we are going to train them, give them good effective training, so that you go ahead and participate in the junior nationals and bring glory to our state. So from the side of Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we will be organizing multiple sports events going across the year. So we have already started with the Meghalaya Games. Now we have this interstate school athletics meet. Going on, we will also be reviving our mission football and the grassroots centers, which were already functioning effectively to train people in football. So those will also be revived from the next month, starting next month onwards. And then we have this Subroto Cup also coming. So this is my message to all the athletes who could not come here today across the state, that there are a lot of sports events that are going to happen going forward, and we are also planning to organize the Northeast Olympics later this year. So there are a lot of sports opportunity coming up, and since the member of Meghalaya States Olympic Association are also there, let me just tell you about this new initiative that we are going to undertake. So we have already started working on this. We are using this new modern scientific methodology to test all our athletes who are in the state. We will test their basic things, and then we will assist them. We will take the selected, identified top 10-20% of our athletes. We will give them training through the people who have already participated in the Olympics, so that these talented youth that are already in our state. So I am told that we have already done this exercise previously 5 years ago, and the feedback from the people who came here and tested our athletes was that our state has a and immense amount of potential when it comes to sports. So this will be our endeavor going forward in this coming next year. This is already there in our sports policy. Last time we have received this instruction also, that whatever we have to initiate this year, we will initiate as soon as possible, so that the athletes, the talent that we have goes forward and brings glory to our state. So that is the one main aspect.